Joining me this morning, India Today's Ashutosh Mishra, tracking all the latest on that. Ashutosh, clearly no legal relief coming in, at least for now, for Arvind Kejriwal. Why do they possibly have hope from the Supreme Court in this case? And what is the journey here on for the Aam Aadmi Party? You tell me. Sanjay Singh out, Bhagwant Maan and Sanjay Singh, can we say, are going to at least take reins of the responsibility of the party for now?
Well, answering to your last question, in Punjab, yes, Bhagwant Maan, Sandeep Pathak will be key in charge and they'll be taking call related to all political decisions, including, of course, they will be showing the leadership to contest in Punjab. As far as Delhi and other states are concerned, the Sanjay Singh will be playing a crucial role along with Sandeep Pathak, and the new emergence of a third line of leadership like Saurabh Bharadwaj, Atishi, Jasmine Shah and others. Now, coming back to the first point is about the setback. There couldn't be a major setback as it was after arrest of Arvind Kejriwal. So, rest all are the legal matters under the PMLA, the exercise of applying for bail, challenging the arrest and other legal points. So, clearly there could be no major setback as arrest of Arvind Kejriwal as they have already seen. Now, as far as the entire verdict concerned for Aam Aadmi Party, it was just days ago because similar orders were passed for Sanjay Singh. From the lower court, bail was rejected. From the higher court, even at extent in the order and the observation said the Sanjay Singh did receive kickbacks for around 2 crore rupees through the courier whose name was Mishra. There was also scathing observations against Sanjay Singh that he was involved in everything. There was also mentioning about our statements of approval are not a new precedent, but it has been running for decades. So everything that was part of Arvind Kejriwal's, the order yesterday in the High Court, nearly same it was with the Sanjay Singh, and that's exactly why the legal remedy which was available for the Aam Aadmi Party, they have opted out, they have moved the Supreme Court, challenging the High Court's order, and now if there is no hearing urgent today, there will be no hearing before Monday because another 2 days going to be court off, so clearly let's see once the mentioning takes place and whether the Supreme Court agrees to hear it immediately.
And this is when the Lok Sabha first phase of elections are also starting, but they will have to have a strategy in place and will be hopeful for at least some reprieve from the court. That's not coming in for now. I appreciate you joining us, Ashutosh Mishra, for the latest on that. For the benefit of the viewers, what's been happening in the court also will have, remember, consequences for the party and Arvind Kejriwal's political future on the streets as well. Now, the observations that were made by the Delhi High Court primarily are that accepting that arrest was timed with elections would mean it would not have been precisely, as they mentioned, this was on the political arrest charge that Arvind Kejriwal has made. In this case, remember that the challenge if arrest was made when elections were not announced. So constantly the Aam Aadmi Party is making a reference that this is because of elections. Politics may influence governance. Judiciary remains committed to principles of law. The judge at the bench is saying it has the elections or the politics has nothing to do with what the case is currently proceeding in. Don't interlink the two. Judges are bound by law, not politics. We go by what's in the book of law. We don't go by the political surround sound, is what the Delhi High Court has said in this case. But another side that I want to bring into you, how the Aam Aadmi Party is constantly gunning and saying that this is all political in nature. On Kejriwal's approver statement charge, that the approver made a statement and I got arrested, that there is no reason for me, otherwise this arrest is illegal. The Delhi High Court has said that free will cannot be questioned by court at this stage, and there is a reason that based on certain evidence and statements, you have been arrested. Accused will be able to question it at the stage of the cross-examination. So let at least the investigation begin, let the cross-examination start, and then we'll see if there is no interlink that is found, then perhaps you will be able to get some relief. And finally, the Delhi High Court making an observation on Kejriwal's electoral bonds link charge, that the approver who was arrested, earlier the accused, gave electoral bond in crores of rupees, 50 crores to the BJP. Who gives tickets to who and who purchases bonds is not the concern of this court. The court has primarily maintained constantly that we are independent in how the case is proceeding. We are going by how the laws are mentioned. What has that got to do about the political scenario or the elections that are upcoming in the country? So this is what has happened in the court. It's very interesting, remember, because it is Kejriwal maintaining arrest is illegal. Court has said at least let the investigation start, and that there is enough evidence for your arrest for now.